morning! When it comes to making sales calls, is one day better than another? Is one day worse than another? As I usually do when I'm standing in front of a live audience, I like to ask the question, what's the worst selling day of the week? Salespeople invariably, almost always agree, Fridays. Okay, why, I ask as a next question. Oh, the answer is simple, Bill. It's because nobody wants to hear from you on a Friday. People have gone early, or they're thinking about their weekend. Who wants to engage with a sales rep? That's an interesting assumption and very, very common, especially given the next question I ask. Owners and managers in the room, what's the quietest phone day of the week? Fridays. Comes back the answer. Comes back the answer? Fridays is their answer. I don't think these things are unrelated. Imagine if you're calling and you're one of 100 calls somebody gets one day, or dozens of calls even, it's going to be, there's another phone call. There's another phone call. On Fridays, if that is the quietest phone day of the week, and this is something that I have asked audiences for 20 plus years, then you've got a very good chance of being one of the few phone calls someone gets on a Friday. I promise you, if you don't make calls on Fridays because you believe that no one is going to answer, you have a 100% chance of being right. You're not going to connect with anybody. If, however, you decide, I'm going to do something that my competition is not doing, I'm going to go against the grain, I'm going to differentiate myself, and I'm going to make calls on Fridays, you have a better than zero chance of getting a connection, but a 100% chance of being different, and that's one of the things that we strive for as salespeople. Fridays are a great day to make calls. The later in the day, the better. Try it, and have a great selling week.